of our ancestors.
On three. 1, 2, 3. Hey y'all, thanks for tuning in today. So today we're going to be doing a photo shoot out here in Austin, Texas. We've got Akila, the boss model. She's going to be modeling for us today. We're shooting at this spot called Secret Beach in Austin, Texas. For this shoot, I'll be shooting with the Canon R5. I'll be using a mix of the Canon RF 70-200 and also the 28-70. So we're going to be looking to get some pretty good footage. As you can see, the sunlight's going to be behind her for this shoot. I'm going to use that as more like the hair light, and then my AD400 with the 16-inch beauty dish from Newer to light the front side of her. And we're gonna shoot and see what we can get. So guys, if you like the video, make sure you click the like button and subscribe and hit the bell notification so you get notified when I make videos like these. Now, I'm gonna be honest with you guys. When you're doing a photo shoot like this, there's a lot of moving pieces, especially if you're using off-camera flash. And so it wasn't until about 15-20 minutes into my photo shoot I realized that my microphone was dead. And so I actually had to end up turning it off and getting some of the audio from the camera. So you guys are going to be getting a mix of both of that throughout this shoot. So one of the things about being in Austin is that we don't have real beaches here. And so what she's on top of there are rocks and sharp shells and such. So Akila was really a trooper in being able to get these poses together. So hats off to her for being an incredible model. Okay, so one of my favorite things about shooting with a mirrorless camera, specifically the Canon R5, is that you can see the photos right in the viewfinder. And so one thing I noticed here is as I was shooting her, the light was a little bit too far back to where the flash, there was a little bit of space between where the sun was hitting her and the flash was hitting her, and there was a shadow right in between. And so what I thought was, okay, let me go ahead and move this light a little bit more to her left, and I'll take a little bit more of a left angle here to see if I can get a better angle with the light. So I really like this angle. I decided to keep shooting here, but I wanted to change this pose just a little bit. And so instead of trying to talk her through exactly what I wanted her to do with her hand right there, I think it was better to just show her like, hey, this is what I want you to do with your hand here. Sometimes it's better to just show the model, hey, do this with your hand, do this with your feet, and it makes for just a smoother process. Water. So here I really wanted to play with the foliage in front of her, and so what I was trying to do was see if I can catch focus of her behind the bushes or this foliage here and use it as the foreground to create some separation and add a little bit more depth to the photo. This is by far one of the best purchases I have ever made when it comes to photography. When I do an outdoor shoot and we're doing multiple outfit changes, cannot leave the house without this thing. It's amazing. We're about to go over here to this little area over here, under this tree where the river kind of runs from out of the thicket. So
I think we're gonna shoot over there and see if we can get some cool photos. Yeah, let's get it. Let's go. What's that? Get my lighting. Oh, Keela!
It is? It's what you think it is?
It's giving!
Hold on, let me get my toes.
Let's go. That's it. Perfect.
So for the second to last look, we moved towards the river, and as you can see, the water is rushing here. We decided to set up the light. You're not getting a whole lot of sun here, and so I wanted to set this light up right in front of her so I get some lighting from it and have the sun kind of in the background there. And now surprisingly, for some reason, from this angle I took a bunch of photos, but a lot of them had some flare with them, and I think it's because the water, some water's bouncing off that flash, and so but these are some of my favorite photos right here. It's absolutely insane.
This water feels so good. All right, ready? All right, lift the booty up just a little bit, right there. Good. There it is, Akila. That's perfect. All right, what you got for me? What you got? That's what you got. That's what you got right there. All right, sit up, like straighten your back up. Sit up just a little bit, up, right there. Bring that left hand to the collarbone. Elbow forward. A little less, just relax, right there, right there. Look back the other way. I don't like that, okay. Grab at your thingamajiggy, at your waistband. With both hands, really arch the back and like feel the sunlight hitting you.
Alright, hold on.
There we go. Alright, close your eyes, lean into it, feel it, feel it, feel it. There it is. Alright, one time, looking right at me. Turn the face right at me. Right there. Alright, I think we're good.
Alright, thank you guys for watching today. Got some dope photos. Had a great time shooting with Akila. Remember, go and follow her on Instagram. I'll link her Instagram down in the description. If you like the video, hit the like button and subscribe if you want to see more content like this. Otherwise, I will see you all in the next video.